Hey friends, if you encounter the issue Windows Update Assistant is already running error on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. So basically you're trying to run Windows updates. It says that Windows Update Assistant is already running. You don't find it and you are confused. Now the solution to it is, obviously I could suggest deleting the cat2 and software distribution folder, but I'll just suggest one solution, which will entail all of it. That is to reset Windows Update components. I'll tell you later why. First of all, I have shared a script with you. Copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter. I'll tell you what this script does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs, and then it will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart all the services associated with Windows updates. Okay, so in this process, since it has deleted the cat2 and software distribution folder, it has deleted the Windows Update cache, it means, and that will reset Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.